it seems a little weird to talk about the Magnificent Seven without Tesla, but there's a good reason. Some folks say that Tesla is just not performing the way the other Mag 7 stocks are. But should we be kicking out Tesla? Is it too early to make that call?
It does seem a little bit early, but I wouldn't fully be opposed to having, instead of a Magnificent Seven, a Super Six, right? We do know that Tesla is going to have rough times ahead, not only with the discounts and potentially flat growth, but you look at where the story's gone. The story has gone from the EV story with Elon Musk to artificial intelligence, put NVIDIA in there, right? And it's going to be tough for Tesla to have both fundamental issues and then also the story issue. So if we want to go Super 6 instead of Magnificent 7, I'm all for it.
Now, we just spoke about Adobe and what's happening there. Adobe has been the beneficiary, of course, of all of this AI buzz. The Creative Suite for people who use their products has been a huge driver of the growth there at Adobe. Is Adobe one of those stocks that could maybe be that stealth next Magnificent 7 type stock?
Yeah, Adobe's definitely impressive. Of course, it beat earnings, but they also had sluggish expectations for this quarter, and that's a concern, right? Because they're not seeing the type of new revenue that they were expecting, right? The guidance was almost entirely about not seeing as much growth as they were going to expect in the creative business, right? So I think Adobe doesn't really have this Magnificent 7, Super 6 type of aura, right? Because it's a one-trick pony. Now, it's a great trick, right? But it's all about creative services. Or Netflix, for instance. Why isn't Netflix in there? It's, again, one trick. It's all about, watching movies on the internet. These other companies, think about NVIDIA. They're platform companies. They enable people to build on top of their technology. Their technology touches everywhere, everybody. But in Adobe, just a certain segment of society. Yes, we all see the output of Photoshop and Illustrator and all the other software, but it's a certain segment of the population. That's why I'd be hesitant to include it.
But, Alex, do investors and do folks out there care about any other tricks than AI these days? That seems to be the only thing driving the narrative among many of these big technology, mega cap technology companies.
It doesn't seem like they care about anything outside of AI these days. But just because AI is the trend doesn't mean that any company that touches AI has to be included in this super growth. I mean, Adobe also already has, fairly high multiple. And the company, again, like this is going to be incremental for its designers as opposed to revolutionary, right? Now, it's going to be very cool if you're using Photoshop and you can type in a prompt or you can select something and use image generation to fill it in. That's amazing. But is that going to drive that many new licenses in Adobe? Is it going to create that many new designers that have to use Photoshop as opposed to potentially driving them to new programs where they can type in prompts and create images that way? That's the big question on Adobe. And that's why, even though AI is a big part of its story, I'm hesitant to say, okay, it's going to the moon like the others have.